Good students do this differently, and it's not hard work. The students who usually top don't study more. They just study differently. And no, it's not about having the smart study routine. Most students think that I need to study for 5 to 6 hours to learn more, remember more, memorize more. But good students, or the topper ones, they don't focus on the number of hours. They focus on clarity. Let's break a few myths. Difference number one between topper students and average students is that topper students don't chase motivation. They don't wait to feel like studying, because honestly, that feeling rarely comes. So instead, they follow a simple rule. Start small, but start anyway. Even if it is just 20 minutes, but do it consistently. Difference number two, they don't overload their brain. An average brain would think that I'll complete this whole chapter today, but a topper brain thinks differently. They think that I will just understand 2 topics, but I'll understand them properly. Because honestly, your brain doesn't learn in bulk. It actually learns in chunks. Difference number 3 is the topper students usually test themselves. And this is the game changer. They don't just read the notes again and again. They actually close their books and try to remember, what do I actually remember from what I just read? Because reading does feel productive, but recalling is the real deal. Recalling builds memory. Difference number 4 is that students who usually top take breaks frequently. Most students take breaks when they are exhausted, but topper students take break because they want to prevent reaching to exhaustion. Even a 5-10 minute stretching, walking, or not scrolling your phone could help you bring back your focus. Difference number 5 is that students who top, they don't panic before an exam. They revise strategically. Not everything, just the important, repeated, or weak areas. So if you think about it, it is not about being a topper. It is about understanding how your brain works and using it to its full potential. If you feel like I study a lot but I still don't see any results, don't increase the number of hours that you study. Change the method that you've been using.